Welcome back to video. The 1966 Chevrolet Camaro was Chevrolet's response to the booming pony car market, ignited by the Ford Mustang. Although officially launched as a 1967 model, the Camaro made its public debut in September 1966. Designed on the new F-body platform, the Camaro offered a blend of performance, style, and customization, quickly establishing itself as a formidable competitor in the muscle car segment. Exterior design. The 1966 Camaro featured sleek, flowing lines that gave it a sporty and aggressive stance. Its long hood and short deck design were quintessential of the muscle car era. The front fascia showcased a simple yet bold grille with round headlights and a distinct Chevrolet emblem in the center. Depending on the trim level, buyers could opt for stylish chrome accents and racing stripes that further enhanced the car's aesthetic appeal. Wheel options ranged from standard steel wheels to sporty rally wheels, offering a range of customization. The Camaro's design was both functional and stylish, with aerodynamic considerations that added to its performance credentials. Interior design and features. Inside, the 1966 Camaro's cabin was designed with both driver comfort and functionality in mind. While the base models featured a straightforward interior, higher trims provided a more luxurious feel with additional amenities. Dashboard and instrumentation. The dashboard was simple yet elegant, with a dual-pod instrument cluster featuring large, easy-to-read gauges. Standard instrumentation included a speedometer and fuel gauge, while optional packages added a tachometer, oil pressure, and temperature gauges. The dashboard layout was driver-focused, ensuring that essential controls were within easy reach. Seating and upholstery. Seating options varied by trim level. The base models came with standard vinyl bench seats, while the higher trims offered bucket seats with premium materials such as cloth or custom vinyl. The bucket seats provided excellent lateral support, ideal for spirited driving. Some models even included optional headrests and adjustable seatbacks for added comfort. Console and storage. The Camaro's center console, available as an option, featured additional storage and housed the gear shifter for models equipped with an automatic or floor-mounted manual transmission. Some versions of the console also included integrated gauges, enhancing the sporty feel of the interior. The rear seat offered limited legroom, a trade-off for the car's compact dimensions. However, the rear bench could comfortably accommodate two passengers for shorter trips. Steering wheel and controls. The standard steering wheel was a simple two-spoke design, but buyers could upgrade to a sporty three-spoke wheel with a wood grain finish. The steering wheel also featured the classic Chevrolet horn button, adding a touch of nostalgia. Control knobs for climate and radio were conveniently placed on the center stack, making them accessible without distracting the driver. Audio and entertainment. The standard sound system included a basic AM radio, but buyers could upgrade to an AM/FM stereo or an 8-track player, a cutting-edge option for the time. These upgrades allowed drivers to enjoy their favorite tunes while cruising down the highway. Customization options. Chevrolet offered a wide range of customization for the Camaro, both in terms of performance and interior options. From choosing upholstery colors to adding luxury features like air conditioning and upgraded sound systems, buyers could tailor their Camaro to fit their tastes and budget. Legacy. The 1966 Camaro's combination of performance, style, and comfort set the stage for its enduring popularity. It provided drivers with a dynamic driving experience while offering a personalized touch with its well-designed interior. Today, it remains a classic icon, cherished by collectors and enthusiasts alike.